In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check pending connection requests on LinkedIn. If you're building your professional network, it's helpful to know exactly which invitations are still awaiting a response. I'll walk you through the process from a clean start so you can follow along smoothly. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is a quick, reliable way to get to LinkedIn without typing the full address. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press Enter. In the search results, click the official LinkedIn site. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in to your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn home feed, you're ready for the next part. Look at the top navigation bar and select My Network. This section is where LinkedIn organizes everything related to your connections, people you may know, invitations you've received, and requests you've sent. On the My Network page, find the Invitations area. You'll see an option labeled Manage. Click Manage to open the full Invitation Manager, which gives you a clearer view and more control than the small preview section. Inside the Invitation Manager, you'll notice tabs that separate different types of invitations. Click the Sent tab. This is the dedicated place to review all the invitations you've sent that are still pending. Here, you'll see each person's name, their headline, and when you sent the request. This view is perfect for tracking who hasn't responded yet and deciding whether to keep waiting or tidy things up. If you spot invites that have been pending for a long time, consider whether they're still relevant to your goals. It's common practice to withdraw an old request and, if appropriate, try again later with a short, personalized note. Personalized messages often get better responses because they explain why you'd like to connect. As a general habit, reviewing this sent list every few weeks helps keep your network current and intentional. A couple of quick tips to make this even easier. The layout may shift slightly over time, but My Network, Manage, and Sent are the key items to look for. If you're using the LinkedIn mobile app, the flow is similar. Go to My Network, open Invitations, then switch to the Sent tab. And remember, if you're curious about invitations coming your way, you can view those under the Received tab in the same manager. That's it. You've now located and reviewed your pending connection requests on LinkedIn. Keep this routine handy to stay organized, follow up thoughtfully, and grow your network with purpose.